Today we're diving into one of the most misunderstood and rarely used options strategies, the box spread. Professionals sometimes call it the synthetic loan. But what is it? How does it work? And why do most traders stay far away from it? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand both the brilliance and the pitfalls of box spreads. What is a box spread? At its core, a box spread is a combination of a bull call spread and a bear put spread on the same strike prices and expiration. Sounds fancy, but here's the key. When you put these positions together, you essentially lock in a risk-free payoff at expiration. Here's an example. You buy a call at a lower strike and sell a call at a higher strike. At the same time, you buy a put at the higher strike and sell a put at the lower strike. No matter where the stock goes, the expiration payoff will always equal the difference between those two strike prices. It's like creating a fixed outcome using options. Why it's called a synthetic loan. So if the payoff is always fixed, what's the point? That's where the synthetic loan idea comes in. If you set up the spread and the options are priced perfectly efficiently, you should neither make nor lose money. But in reality, small mispricings happen. This lets pros lend or borrow money by entering a box spread. Think of it this way. You're paying money up front to receive a guaranteed larger amount later, just like lending money. Or you're receiving cash now and paying back a fixed amount later, just like borrowing. This is why professional traders often use box spreads to manage financing needs inside their trading books. Why pros can use it, and you probably shouldn't. Here's the catch. While it sounds like free money, retail traders almost never benefit. Why? Transaction costs. A box spread involves 4 option legs. Commissions, fees, and bid-ask spreads eat away at any theoretical arbitrage profit. Capital requirements. Brokers often require significant margin to hold these spreads. This ties up cash that could be used elsewhere. Execution risk. To get the payoff, you need all 4 trades executed at the right prices. Slippage can turn a guaranteed profit into a small loss. Low yields. Even when done perfectly, the profit is equivalent to short-term interest rates. For pros trading millions, that matters. For small accounts, it's often pennies. The real role of box spreads. Box spreads aren't about quick profits for everyday traders. They're about synthetic financing. Market makers and institutions can use them to adjust cash flows, hedge margin requirements, or even arbitrage small inefficiencies in option pricing. Retail traders, on the other hand, are almost always priced out by costs. So if you see someone online claiming box spreads are a risk-free money printer, take that with a grain of salt. In reality, it's a tool designed for professionals working at scale. To wrap it up, a box spread is a bull call spread plus a bear put spread with the same strikes. It guarantees a fixed payoff, making it act like a synthetic loan. Professionals use it to manage capital and arbitrage interest rates. But for most traders, it's a strategy that costs more than it earns. Now you know why box spreads are fascinating in theory, powerful in practice, but not recommended for your everyday portfolio. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to visit us at optionstrading.org for more options trading tips.